Okay, I'm attempting to update the database of the firewall. And basically, I'm asking the Claude to do it. Let's see what it says. I can't execute update, no, but every single back to say it. Okay, that's okay. So this is not a licensing problem. The firewall has never connected to Fortinet's FortiGuard distribution network. FDS address is completely empty. No FortiGuard server is configured. Every single update that ever has been done by a manual upload. Uh, Configure FortiGuard settings. Yeah, can you perform step number one? Let's see if it can execute ping for the DNS. I'm asking it to do step number one, what it has recommended. Let's see what happens. Mhm. That confirms it. The firewall can't even resolve Fortinet's updated server via DNS. Let me dig deeper. Okay. But the DNS is broken on my firewall. Okay, it got to a root cause. It says DNS or TLS misconfiguration. Protocol dot DNS or TLS. This is broken because DNS or TLS validates the server's TLS certificate against the server hostname. The firewall connects to Google DNS but expects this TLS certificate to say global DNS Fortinet.net. Google certificate says DNS.google, so the TLS validation fails on every DNS query, and the firewall cannot resolve any host name. IP based pings work, no DNS needed. Either change, so the fix is straightforward, either change the DNS protocol from dot to clear text or fix the server hostname to match Google dot hostname. Would you like me to apply one of these fixes? The safest option would be to changing the server hostname. Okay, I'm gonna go for that. Yes, go for it. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, it's now going to trigger a FortiGuard update. Update triggered, it runs in the background. Awesome. This is Agentic network operations. I'm literally performing troubleshooting. I mean, I didn't do it, Claude did it, but I, as a network engineer, I'm able to do network operations without lifting a finger, all through voice. I'm talking to the network. Okay, what does it say? It says FDN still shows unavailable, DNS is fixed, but the update service itself isn't connecting yet. Let me diagnose the actual FDN connection. Okay, it's doing some more troubleshooting. Hmm, three servers are responding. OT guard infrastructure is now reachable. Let me trigger another update and give it more time to download the databases. Okay, let's see what happens. It's back. It's checking if databases have started updating. All database updated successfully. Awesome. Awesome. Mind blowing. Mind blowing. Okay. So it also made a comment that your firewall went from basic packet filtering to fully functional NGFW. Yes, it did. So I'm gonna summarize what we just saw. It's fucking crazy. So we did a firewall audit through Claude, and we found that all our DBs were literally never updated. One of them was 8 years old, 10 years old. It had it was not updated, and that was one of the big loopholes, right? It said all your databases are like freaking old. So we asked Claude to, start troubleshooting and figure out why it is not updated. So it started troubleshooting. One of the things it came up with is that the DNS is broken, and it was broken because it was set to Google with protocol DNS or TLS, but server name as Fortinet, right? So it figured out that. Then we asked it to fix it. So it suggested the fix. I just told it to do it. That's all I did. So it went ahead and changed the DNS host name to dns.google so that it matches with the IP address. And then it was able to resolve the 40 guard server, right? And then it was able to, download the patches, update them. So, problem discovery, diagnosis, RCA, fix, re-RCA fix, all done by AI. Agentic network operations is here.